Now we're going to talk about some milk steaming no-nos for lattes. What tends to happen sometimes is that people steam the milk like they would do for a cappuccino. This is not adequate enough, and I'll show you why. As you can see, this milk is way too thick for a latte. This is what happens if you pour it into the mug. This latte is obviously way too foamy. And as you can see, it's pretty much half foam. What's gonna happen when a person takes a sip of this is that they're gonna get all foam and no taste. And that is a very inadequate latte.